experience this. We love to experiment with sound. Get musical and have a go at making this harmonica. You will need 2 popsicle sticks, 1 plastic straw, 2 mini rubber bands, 1 medium rubber band, and scissors. Start by stretching your medium rubber band over one of your popsicle sticks so that it fits snug. Next, carefully cut 2 equal-sized lengths from your plastic straw. These should be slightly wider than the width of your popsicle sticks. Then, place these straws between your 2 popsicle sticks, securing in place with your mini rubber bands. Now you get to enjoy making music with your DIY harmonica. Just place the sticks between your lips and blow. We would love to see your creations. Miharo! Awesome! Head to darwinandnewts.com